Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of lentils and how they can play a key role in weight management. Lentils are a staple in many diets around the world, and for good reason. Not only are they nutritious, but they can also be a powerful ally when it comes to maintaining a healthy weight. Let's dive into why lentils should be a regular part of your meals if you're looking to manage your weight effectively. One of the main reasons lentils are great for weight management is their high fiber content. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils provides around 15 grams of fiber, which is a significant portion of your daily recommended intake. Fiber is essential for digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce the likelihood of overeating or snacking between meals. By keeping you feeling satisfied, lentils help control your calorie intake and prevent excessive eating. In addition to fiber, lentils are an excellent source of protein. Protein is another key player in weight management because it helps build and repair tissues, and it also boosts satiety. When you eat a meal rich in protein, your body feels fuller, which can help reduce overall calorie consumption. Lentils provide about 18 grams of protein per cup, making them an excellent plant-based source of protein. This makes them a great option for vegetarians and vegans who are looking to manage their weight without relying on animal-based protein sources. Lentils are also low in fat, which makes them an ideal food for anyone looking to reduce their fat intake while still maintaining a balanced diet. Despite being low in fat, lentils are packed with essential nutrients like folate, iron, and potassium, all of which support overall health. Unlike many processed foods that are high in unhealthy fats, lentils provide a nutrient-dense option that can help you stay on track with your weight management goals. Another important benefit of lentils is their low glycemic index. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested more slowly, which helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. This is especially important for weight management because it prevents blood sugar spikes and crashes, which can lead to cravings and overeating. By including lentils in your meals, you can help stabilize your blood sugar and reduce the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Lentils are also incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Whether you're adding them to soups, salads, stews, or making lentil burgers, there are countless ways to incorporate them into your diet. Plus, they're easy to cook, budget-friendly, and have a long shelf life, making them a practical addition to your kitchen. For those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, lentils are an ideal food choice. Their high fiber and protein content, combined with their low fat and low glycemic index, make them an excellent option for keeping hunger at bay and reducing overall calorie intake. By adding lentils to your meals, you're not only supporting your weight management goals, but you're also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. In summary, lentils are a fantastic food for weight management. They are packed with fiber, protein, and nutrients, while being low in fat and having a low glycemic index. By including them in your diet, you can feel fuller for longer, reduce cravings, and manage your weight more effectively.